COVID-19 vaccine hopes tend to give a lift to the stock market. We are checking in now with Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments for his take. And Joe, Moderna is one of the drug companies many people are talking about right now.
Thank you, Angie. On Tuesday, we saw a great result out of Moderna on their phase 1 trial. That rally continued through Wednesday as we got more good news out of bank earnings, Goldman Sachs specifically, lifting this market Wednesday morning. Really great to see the vaccine news. I think the world, the U.S., everybody is just counting on this, hoping that some sort of man-made innovation is going to get us out of this COVID crisis. Very promising news out of Moderna, really fascinating technology with this RNA strand to be able to insert that in the body and have that duplicate the antibodies is really amazing to me. That said, the best news is that there could be a vaccine on the market before year end. All the red tape is going to get out of the way. This is going to be fast-tracked, and it's really exciting news. Phase 3 fast-tracked for the end of the month to start on 30,000 trial patients. So really amazing. Hopefully all goes well there. But the market's also saying, you know what, there's 120 vaccines in total on the market or in trial. One of them is going to be ready and hopefully before the end of the year. And really the market is really banking on the innovation to lead us out of this crisis. Now this, of course, is happening at the same time as bad news in the virus is occurring in the U.S. State cases are on the rise. And hospitalizations are on the rise. And with hospitalizations on the rise, we're starting to get deaths on the rise. And I think if deaths start to play bigger in the headlines, that could lead to more closings and more shutting down of the economy. Already in California, we're seeing bars and restaurants closed for indoor seating. Will that happen in Florida, Texas, Arizona? We'll be watching all that. And just remember, the longer people stay unemployed, the harder the economic recovery is. We've seen that in previous recessions. So that's the risk we're playing out right now. Now, the market has rallied all the way up to where it was the last time we saw a big correction. In the middle of June, we started to see cases rising again in the South. The market had a big drop then. Of course, that's the risk again where we are right now. Now, the VIX is higher than it was back then, and the VIX still is higher than the entire point it was in 2019, so there still is risk to the downside. We have to remain vigilant.
Thank you, Joe. We will be on the lookout for the possibility of a big sell-off. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.